In this video, we will be seeing about the goto statement in C programming. So goto statement in C programming is one of the jump statements which will be transferring the control from one part of program to another one part of the program to another part using a label. So goto statement is one of the jump statements, which is the third category of control statements in C programming. So under C programming topics, we have a topic called control statements, which has three categories of statements like decision making or conditional statements, looping statements, and jump statements, jump or loop control statements. So under jump or loop control statements, we have one of the statement as goto statement. And this goto statement will help you to transfer the execution control from one part of C program to another using a label. So how we can do it? Now let's see it theoretically and practically. So goto is a keyword which is used to transfer control from one part to another using a label. Now here goto is a jump statement, first thing, which transfers execution control from one part to another, and to do so it uses a label, using a label. So goto is a jump statement and it transfers execution control from one part of program to another using a label. So syntax or rule to write or use goto is goto label name we will be writing and semicolon. And somewhere in the program, wherever you want, you can write this label name followed by a colon, and then in a block or without a block, you can write the statements which you want to execute. So whenever we write goto this label name, it will be searching for this label, and under that label, whatever statements are present, it will be executing. So now let's see it practically in a C program. So here I'm using dev C++ ID. So I'm removing this program first. Now let's write a program where we are going to use goto statement. So first line I'm writing as include stdio.h, which is including the standard input output header file to our program. Next is void main, which is the starting point of execution, and in this now I am going to use the goto statement. Now very simple code I am going to write. So I am writing or declaring here a single variable a equal to 10. Now if a greater than 5, I will be printing printf welcome, and else I am using here goto a label. So label name I'm giving goto student. Somewhere in program here I'll take a part of program printf thank you, and then student. This is the name of label. You can use any label, and I'm here using printf sorry, try again. So let's take marks here. As we have taken the label name student, let's make it suitable for that. So int marks equal to I'm taking 80 and checking if marks are greater than 90. If it is greater than 90, it will print welcome. Otherwise, it will go to student message. Let's give, and it will print sorry, try again. So execute, compile it first to check any errors. There are 0 errors or warnings. Run it. Now, because we have the marks as 80, which is not greater than 90, the condition is false. So else block gets executed. And in the else block, we kept go to student message. And student message here is acting as the label. And it will be going to this label, jumping to this label and printing sorry, try again. And you can observe there we did not get this thank you message also because we have jumped from one part to another. So it has skipped the remaining statements. So you can see just the label got executed. But in case if this thank you is present after the label, then it gets executed. So if I don't keep it as a part of label also, I'm keeping the label message here in a block, and then printf, which is part of program. So then also I got thank you printed. So this is how we can make use of goto statement. So go to a particular label and under that label we keep the executable statements. So using goto we can jump from one part to another part. So it is not necessary that we use else if. So suppose I have code printf hello and go to Sam. Label name I'm giving printf welcome. Under Sam, I will be keeping the statement as printf Sam. So now let's see how it executes. So I am not keeping any condition. I got hello and then hi Sam from the labeled message. So Sam, under the label Sam, we have this. So it is skipping this welcome because we are jumping from one part to another and skipping the remaining program in between. So if you want to jump from one part of program to another using a label, you can use goto statement. So this is how we use goto statement in C programming, and using a label we can jump from one part to another. So thank you for watching the video, and for more updates on C programming, please do subscribe the channel. On this channel, you will also be finding other computer programming languages. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.